Welcome to Show What I Saw. Before I carry on with this video, I want to give a big shout out to Bummy for giving me this bike, which is over here, which I forgot to wear anyway, because it's part of my outfit, and also a flower crown. Make sure you go to her den, like, talk on her jam wall. Make sure you buddy her because she's a great person. Now, on to the next. Let's get to the real video. Let's go. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to get the bonus on Jambu. Let's go into the game. Here's the game. You have to go inside each of these to get the bonus. I'm not going to particularly get them, but yeah, you can still try and do it. I think I'm not going to get that one. Okay. At least I got 2 gems. Please, 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 please. No, dang it, at least I got 3. Anyway, let's try again. Try again. Seriously, Animal Jam, what is wrong with you? There has to be a big problem with you. Okay. Yeah, I got it. You have to aim for these two. These two, 2 or 1. If you get 3, is good. But if you could not get 0 of these 3. Okay, so you have to get at least maximum 2 of them. After you go 14 gems, usually you get 2 gems, but yeah. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and hope you have a great time. Bye. I want you to be happy. Look at even old Abby.